Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Negril. We're actually driving into Negril, and this is one of the major tourist resort towns in Jamaica. You have three. You have Montego Bay, you have Ocho Rios, and you have Negril. So today we're driving through Negril. Negril is located in Westmoreland on the western part of the island. And Negril is famous because of its 7 Mile beach. Very nice beach, and as a result of the beach being so nice, you have a lot of hotels, hundreds of hotels. You have major hotel chains in Negril. You have, you name the hotel brand. If it's in Jamaica, they have a location in Negril. So the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing very well. You have more hotel rooms under construction now than at any other time in Jamaica. So never before have so many hotels been under construction at one time in Jamaica. And we're going to take a look. We're just going to give you a summary, a rundown of the major hotel projects that are going on in Jamaica. Now, before we start, we're going to go through the list of major hotel chains. Now, remember, you also have a lot of villas that are being built. You have a lot of Airbnbs that are coming up, but we're just going through the hotels today. All right, so let's go through the list. You have the Princess Hotel, which is being built in Hanover, and that's going to be over 2,000 rooms. It's under construction, and this will be the largest hotel in Jamaica when finished. Now, just to point out, you have other hotels that are very large, but it's like 3 different hotels on one property. But the Princess Hotel is going to be 2,000 rooms, and that will be the largest hotel in Jamaica when finished. Now, Sandals has a lot of hotels in Jamaica and the Caribbean. They are one of the top hotel chains in the world, or especially in the Caribbean. So they're actually building 2 hotels in Ocho Rios by Dunn's River, by Miami Bay. You have the Sandals Dunn's River, and you have the Sandals Royal Dunn's River. Now, one, they're just renovating an existing hotel, and the other one, they're building it from scratch. So that's Miami Bay, which is in Ocho Rios. Now, Rio has a lot of hotels in Jamaica. They have 2 in Negril, 3 in Montego Bay, and 1 in Ocho Rios. And they are actually building another hotel, a 700-room hotel in Trelawney. So Trelawney is on the north coast between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. And then in Montego Bay now, you have the Hard Rock Hotel being built. And this one is going to be 1,800 rooms. But on the property, they're going to have 3 different hotels. The Hard Rock is just one. I think another one is going to be, I think I heard a Ritz-Carlton. I'm not sure, but it's 3 hotels that are going to be on that property. And one will be the Hard Rock Hotel, which is 1,800 rooms, and that is in Montego Bay. Then Secrets is building another resort in Richmond, and that's going to be 700 rooms. Richmond is in St. Anne, just a 2-minute drive outside of Ocho Rios. And Sandals is building, and Beaches is building a hotel in St. Anne. And then you have the Viva Wyndham Resort, which is going to be 1,000 rooms, and that's in Negril. Remember now, there are 3 main tourist towns in Jamaica: Negril, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios. So you notice most of the hotels are being built in one of those 3 areas. And if not in one of those 3 areas, you have like Trelawney, which is in between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, which is on the north coast. So Harmony Cove is building another hotel, and the Marriott International is building a hotel in Jamaica that's going to be 800 rooms. So those are the major hotel chains that are under construction now. They have a few other projects, but they haven't gotten started yet. So this is just a list of the major hotels in Jamaica that are under construction. All right, guys, and I just should point out that all of these hotels are connected by a major highway, which is a Northern Coastal Highway. And the highway it's going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, because there is so much activity going on in Jamaica, really, these hotels and the North Coast, that the road just cannot adequately handle all the cars that are on it. So the government is going to be expanding the highway to facilitate persons getting around. Now, if you stay in Negril or you stay in Montego Bay, chances are you're going to visit Ocho Rios, because Ocho Rios is where you have the top 3 tourist attractions in Jamaica. Number 1 is Dunn's River Falls. Number 2 is Dolphin Cove, and number 3 is Mystic Mountain. So again, that's where this road comes in. Very, very important thoroughfare, because persons want to get to these attractions. Also, Trelawney has the cruise ship pier. So that is another reason why persons come in for the day and want to go to these attractions. But the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing very well. And these are just the hotels that are under construction as we speak. They have a lot more hotels that have not started construction yet. But we will keep you guys updated on all these projects. And every project that we discussed here today, we will make videos and keep you guys updated as to the progress. And there is another project that we didn't mention, because it's Sandals Negril. They are actually expanding the hotel, and they are building some villas, luxury villas at the front of the hotel that's going to serve as honeymoon suites. And we have videos up of that construction, so you can check it out. Well, we are going to try and give you guys updates on all these projects, if not every 2 weeks, at least once per week. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.